an energetic protocol to assist your body, in healing, strengthening, reconnecting all of its threads of its energy in its divine line at the second chakra level, the back of the second chakra, L4, L5, low back, sacrum, hips. We invite you to take a deep breath in. You, soul rider, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line, river of light, front of spine. Using your exhale to ground and anchor into that inner river. You, soul rider, bringing your energy and awareness to your divine line on the front of the spine at the second chakra level. And then inviting body, divination, spirit to work with its energetic fields of guides, to reference its divine line that runs through the spine, the spinal cord, to bring its energy and awareness to its divine line at the L4, L5, hip, sacral region. Embodied, if you use your higher self, your energetic fields, to feel into the energy in your divine line, in your spine, your spinal cord, in that lumbar zone. Feel into all of your threads in your divine line and ponder the idea that your threads in your divine line might be a little disconnected from your roots, the fabric that connects you with the Gaia oneness energy. Play with the idea the body has etheric, energetic tendril. It's like these tendrils of light that act as its root structure, that go from the hips, down the legs, down into the heart of earth. And you'd say, Body Deva, use your higher self. And just repeat after me. Body Deva, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to reference all of those tendrils of your roots in your lumbar region. Reference all of your tendrils, your energy in your lumbar region that extend from that lumbar zone, and repair those threads, reconnect those threads, reweave the threads of your energy in your divine line at L4, L5, sacrum, lumbar zone, spinal cord. Body repair, reweave, reconnect all of your threads in your divine line, in your spine with your roots. Repair all of your threads in your divine line that connect you to your roots. Just repeat that sentence. Repair all of your threads in your divine line that connect to your roots. Body, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to repair all of your threads in your divine line with your roots, your root structure that is vibrant, connected to the fabric of the nature kingdom. Repair your divine line and your root structure. Repair your divine line into your root structure. Repair your divine line. There we go. Into your root structure. And you just hold space, you soul rider, witnessing your body snuggling up on front of spine at second chakra level, holding space for body to use its energetic fields to repair its divine line with its root structure. Come back into the rhythm and the timing of nature, to sync its energy with the cycles of the sun and the moon. And one of the guides just said something really interesting. They said, we get very tired and very unmotivated and physically not well when we're out of timing with Earth and the cycles of the sun and the moon. The body does. And so the most simple thing would be on your phone, set a little timer, alarm. There might even be an app to ding on the sunrise and ding on the sunset. Some part of you's like sunrise, some part of you's sunset. Or you're just inviting your body to feel the cycles of the sun and the moon, to use its energetic fields to come into greater alignment with the cycles of the sun and the moon, the seasons of Earth, to reweave its vibrational fabric back into a state of connection, oneness with Gaia. And then balancing and stabilizing. And with all protocols, we always want to fine-tune it down into one sentence that you could practice every single day. You could write down and jot down the sentence if it calls to you. Body, reweave your vibrational fabric back into connection with the fabric of the nature kingdom. Body, reweave your fabric back into the fabric of the nature kingdom. The nature kingdom, I think of it as like the enlightened nature kingdom that has this perception of connection, oneness. It's this oneness fabric of Earth. Body is from Earth, mostly, and you want to encourage body to reweave its fabric using its energetic fields back into the fabric of oneness of Gaia, or oneness of the nature kingdom, whatever words call to you. But it's every single day reminding your body to use its energetic self to feel where it is one with the fabric of the nature kingdom, one with the fabric of Gaia. Something even more simple would be body, be wind, or body, be river, body, be ocean, or body, be tree, body, be roots of tree, roots and tree. So feel into what is an aspect of the nature kingdom your body really aligns with, and just be this very gentle body in another dimension. Be that all day long. And then your body starts to feel even more connected to the nature kingdom. It pulls its energy from the roots of a Gaia Earth. Earth has this infinite amount of energy, and body gets reconnected and helps with the stream, the flow. Aho. Taking a deep breath in, balancing and stabilizing.